In today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about the Beneish M-Score and how to use it for stock selection. For any investor, the biggest nightmare isn't just a falling stock price, it is discovering that a company's financial health was a lie. We often trust reported earnings, but what if they are being manipulated? The Beneish M-Score is a powerful forensic tool designed to identify accounting red flags before they destroy your portfolio. Essentially, the Beneish M-Score is a mathematical model used to detect whether a company has manipulated its earnings. Created by Professor Beneish, the model relies on 8 specific financial ratios to look for inconsistencies in financial reporting. To understand why this is so important, we have to look at the famous Enron case. While many analysts were praising Enron's growth in the late 90s, students using the Beneish M-Score actually identified that the company was likely manipulating its earnings long before the scandal broke. The M-Score proved that Enron was a house of cards, showing that mathematical ratios can catch what the naked eye might miss in a standard balance sheet. Let's break down the 8 ratios that make up the M-Score. Each one looks at a different aspect of the business. First is DSRI, or Days Sales in Receivable Index. This measures changes in accounts receivable relative to sales. A large increase here could mean revenue is being overstated. Next is GMI, the Gross Margin Index, which tracks changes in gross profit margins. Declining margins can sometimes tempt management to manipulate figures to hide poor performance. AQI, the Asset Quality Index, indicates shifts in the quality of a company's assets, looking for an increase in soft assets that might be used to defer expenses. SGI, or Sales Growth Index, reflects year-over-year revenue growth. While growth is good, extremely high growth can sometimes signal aggressive accounting. DEPI, the Depreciation Index, analyzes changes in depreciation policies. If a company slows down its depreciation, it can artificially boost its profits. SGAI, the Sales, General, and Administrative Expenses Index, tracks trends in administrative expenses to see if they are rising disproportionately to sales. LVGI, the Leverage Index, measures changes in financial leverage. Increasing debt can create immense pressure on a company to manipulate earnings to meet loan covenants. Finally, TATA, or Total Accruals to Total Assets, evaluates the relationship between non-cash earnings and total assets. High accruals are often a major red flag for earnings quality. These ratios aren't just added together. Each ratio is multiplied by a specific coefficient determined by Professor Beneish's empirical research to create a weighted total. As you can see on the screen now, the formula combines these elements into a single score. To see this in action, let's look at a practical example with company XYZ. Using their financial data, we calculate values for each ratio, such as a DSRI of 1.20 and an SGI of 1.25. When we substitute these values into the formula displayed on the screen, the final M-score for company XYZ comes out to negative 1.924. So how do we interpret that number? We use a specific scale. A score less than negative 2.22, meaning more negative, typically indicates the company is not a manipulator. A score between negative 2.22 and negative 1.78 suggests a slight manipulation risk. Finally, a score greater than negative 1.78 suggests a very high possibility of manipulation. In our example, company XYZ scored negative 1.924, which puts it in that middle zone, signaling a slight risk of earnings manipulation. In stock selection, the M-Score is an essential red flag screen. It helps investors avoid value traps and companies with aggressive accounting practices before those issues are exposed by the market. By filtering for companies with healthy M-Scores, you ensure the foundation of your investment is solid. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever looked at a company's financials and felt something just didn't add up? Drop a comment below with the name of a stock you're currently researching, and let's discuss if it's a candidate for an M-Score check.